it's Christy, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing. These are some bags for like when you travel, to compression bags. These aren't. BAGAIL, I assume is how you say it, BAGAIL. Let's take a look. A bag within a bag. Ta-da! Four different sizes. Let's see what they can hold. Some opening the outer level, which I guess causes the compression. Pair of jeans, pants, sweatpants, another pair of sweatpants. I have not rolled them or anything, I'm just putting them in there haphazardly. And another pair of sweatpants. And another pair of pants. One shirt. Two shirts. Three shirts. Three shirts and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pairs of pants. So, I could probably still fit more stuff in this largest one. We're going to do this just to see. So here it is, just normal. Now, I don't know if this is how you compress them, but this is how I'm going to compress them. Putting my body weight. It's a little bit smushed-er, but that, I can't believe, that many pair of pants and that many shirts. And then you still have 3 other sizes to go to. Like this could be your socks and underwear, more shirts, jackets. Oh, I haven't even zipped it all the way around yet. Hold on. Ah, this could be a pillow. So this, how thin it's made. All those pairs of pants and those 3 shirts. I am impressed. This could be a whole week's worth if I reverse the pants and the shirts. But that could be a whole 6-day trip right there in one little bag. 1, 2, 3 shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all of that fit into that. And I gotta tell you, the material isn't flimsy. It's nice and it's thicker than I had imagined it would be. The zippers feel really secure. I mean, it's got handles even. I'd never bought a compression bag. Thought I would get this a try, and I'm so tickled with it. Like I said, the material, it's hard to see on the internet. Kind of thought, oh, it's going to be flimsy. This is a lot more durable. I hate to say thicker, but thicker than what I thought it would be. I was surprised I got that much clothes into one bag. I can only imagine how much I can fit using the other 3 bags. So 4 bags for this one price. Oh my God. Totally get it. I completely love it, and I can't wait to travel to use it now. So if you like this video, click on the subscribe button. I'll post more stuff. See you soon. Have fun traveling.